All right, you are welcome again to another trading session, a penny to fortune trading session, part 2, from $5 to a fortune, part 2. Just like I told you earlier on today, that everything being okay, the market being favorable, and everything going as expected, that we can build the 5 USD account that we started with today. We can double it, just like I told you. This is the same account. This is the same account. We have $12.60 now. You can see this to confirm. You can see the account ID, and you can cross check from the first trading session from $5 to a fortune part 1. You can cross check the date. Now let me show you. This is the same account. You can check the date. This is the account statement. I'm trying to show you the account statement. Yeah, from the account statement you can see the date of the trading. You can confirm it. This is 18 June 2025. You can check the first video, the part 1, that we built from $5 to $7.50 something cents. I decided to go on a break so that the video will not be too lengthy. So we rejoin from here. Just like I told you when we started trading the 5 USD account, I told you everything being possible, being okay, that we can double the 5 USD account. You can see here $12.60, $12.60. This is the same account. And at this portfolio level, we'll be moving to trading with our second scale, our next scale. The first scale that we traded with, the total risk was at $2.45. But this second scale that we are moving to, the total risk is $3.50. Just like I told you, we build it gradually, progressively, bit by bit. Before you know it, the 5 US dollars will turn to something big. Of course, it has been double. If you see $12.60, that's over $7.60. This more than this over 150% increase, 150% profit on top of the $5. 150% profit on top of the $5. We are continuing from here. On this scale, this is my scale 2. We still have the first trading stage being 35 cents, and the second trading stage is $1.05, while the third trading stage is $2.10, as well as the fourth and the fifth trading stages, $2.10. And the seller market for 35 cents still remain 15 cents. For the $1.05, the seller market is at 45 cents. Then for the $2.10 stake, the seller market is 90 cents. That is 0.90 USD. All right, now let's see what we can do with this account. Trading from here, we're gonna push it a little if the market is favorable. We need to be sure that the market is favorable. All right, now let's see. I take this to chart. These are 25 cents. Let's see how the market is like. This one was trying to retrace, so let's just attach our saved to see and see how it goes. I think the trade has gone far already, except we see another emerging sell candle. then we can follow. But we can still as well check other market. We might be having a better signal. Okay, let's see 10 index. Okay, we have a small distance here. Let's see if it's still going that direction. I think it's trying to retrace. It's trying to retrace. Can we wait? But if we wait here, we can be missing other signals elsewhere. Let's just still check on the market. There's a breakout here, upward breakout, but that long wick shows that it's not stable. It's trying to retrace back. It has been oscillating up and down, so we disengage that and we check the volatility 75 index. What's happening there is trying to retrace. Now let's see how strong is the retracement with the help of the candlestick. Okay, though it's a short one, it's a short interval. Let's see if we can meet up with it. We go down to see our take profit level. Yep, as a trade doing, we check up here also. Okay, we are almost there. I pick it there. You see, we have 25-cent profit added. All right, we're still at 35 cents. Whenever you make success, you still remain at the stage one. Let's see if this chart will still continue in upward trend. We are waiting for another emerging candle, but we had a signal at the 10 index. Let's see if that signal is going well. I think it's still going well. Let's see if we can follow it right away. This is a trend continuation, but I don't know how strong it will continue. I think that candle is okay there, and I'll follow it. Now I have to check my sell at market. Oh, I cut it short. I've seen 17 cents, which is beyond my 15 cents. I cut it short and now move to the next trading stage, which is the $1.05. $1.05. Okay. Now let's check out market. Oh, if it makes one more move down, I'll follow. I follow it. I view. Sell at the market here is 45 cents. As for stop loss, 45 cents. Then for the take profit, if I see 75 cents, I will just pick it. Check the countdown. I've seen 45. This thing loss, I cut it short, though it later moved to my favor, but I've sold it already. So I moved to the third stage, $2.10. At $2.10, we have this trade is still going down. Okay. If I see $3.80, I'll close it. It's beyond our control. We have to wait to finishing. Of course, it was moving in our favor. As a success there for us. We returned to 0.35. It's kind of retracing, but we need a confirmation. Okay, if that bullish candle builds over the hammer, we're gonna follow. Okay, all right, let's see. We follow that. We've seen that signal. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Thing is spelling out well. While our eyes on the sell at market. Let's see. You need patience in trading. You need patience, a lot of patience. Oh, I cut my loss short because I've seen 18 cents. My sell at market stop loss at 35 cents is 15. So as I just saw the 18, I cut it short. Now I move to the next one, which is $1.05. Okay, let's see. And now change the market. Let me check some other market. I check 25. 25. What's going on here? I'm not very okay with that. What's going on here? But the spike is too much, so I changed the market there. I check 75. I need to see a very smooth, line chart representing a market before I move to attach my preset indicator and set up. I need to see something good. Remember, we are trading a short time frame market. So it's a very sensitive trading, of which you have to look at some things. This is still too spiky, but let me attach indicator and see how it looks like. What do we have here? Oh, it has gone far already. It has gone far. And if we were here, we would have taken it early. Another thing is timing. If you're able to be picking up your trade early, you'll be good at making good trades. But if you pick them lately, it will finish against you. So sometimes when I see signal, because we trade short time frame market, so when I see some signal that have gone far already, I let them go. All right. It's trying to retrace here. Let me see from the candlestick and Bollinger setup. I think we have a short retracement there, but we need a confirmation candle to form. We need a confirmation candle. I need a confirmation candle. It's not holding again, so I move to next market. I think there's a kind of a breakout here from this resistance. Let me see if it will hold. Oh, it was actually a retracement. but it's not strong. It's obvious that this trading session we are actually trading is unfavorable market session. So when I have a success, I will go on a break because it's obvious we are trading on favorable market session now. So I need to go on a break for the market to stabilize to do well before it can come up again. At $1.05, my stop loss is 45 cents. So I'm watching out for that. While my take profit, even though I see 75-cent profit, it's enough. Oh, I cut it short. I just saw, oh, it is beyond my control. You see, it was a real fluctuating. Then we move to third stage. Third stage of this trading is $2.10. You see, most of the signal we see here now they are shortly because we are actually trading unfavorable market session. The market seems to be unfavorable. So most of the signal we see they are short-lived, and as you just pick up the trade, it goes against you. And someone may say, how do we know when the session is favorable and when it's not favorable? That will come up in our another video where I will take time to explain vividly how to identify favorable and unfavorable market session. But for today, we want to see how we can trade and build from $5. Of course, we have double our target for today, which was to double the $5. So this one was just to still show you more. But it seems the market is unfavorable now. So when I close this trade cycle, I'll go on a break. So you see, trading is just very simple. You just need concentration. You need a working strategy. You need self-discipline, self-control. Very, very important. Because when you encounter unfavorable market session now, like what we have now, you need patience for the market to stabilize or to pick a rewarding signal. It's trying to retrace here. I'm trying to see a good confirmation before I can place the trade. It's a kind of consolidating there. It's not giving me a clear confirmation. That's why I refuse to follow. It's obvious the market is consolidating at that point. So I leave it. I check daily reset indices. I check bear market index. It's still too spiky. Take a look at it. Too spiky and so uncoordinated. We cannot trade such a trend setup because it lacks a clear direction. Let's see this bull market index still on that daily reset. It's trying to retrace, but we need a confirmation. We need a confirmation candle before we can proceed to execute it. We can't just follow this one candle. We are trading short time frame market, a short time frame trading. And with the long wicks shows that markets here are really unstable. So I leave that market so that it will not mislead me. I'm on stage three, so I have to be careful with the kind of signal that I pick. Okay, let's see. We decide to follow this one because we've seen a confirmation candle formed, and we commenced down here at $2.10. Our stop loss is 90 cents. Oh, it has exceeded and now try to short it, but network is interfering with my trading activity. I still try to short it. I succeed at shorting it, though it's a bit far from where I'm supposed to. It was network. So we move to stage four. Stage four is still $2.10. All we'll be looking at stage four and stage five is recovery. We are not really looking for profit at that level. We are looking for recovering our stage one, two, and three. So let's see. Um, must be very mindful. Of course, you can see vividly that these are unfavorable market session. That's why we are having difficulty in picking a good signal. You see the extent to which it's flying. I see $3.80 indicative price. Okay, it's about getting there. It's beyond my control now, so I allowed it to finish. Of course, it's going to our favor. Now we still need one more of this to recover fully. We've just recovered the full place. We still need one more of this. We assume we are now at the third place. We've returned to the third place as the first $2.10. Remember, we have five stages. The fourth and the fifth are recovery. We just concluded the fourth in a success, and it has not been able to recover at this end fully. So we assume we are standing at is a network problem. It just froze our trade. Let's see if we can check from the profit table if we can see and redeem our trade. Let's check report. We are really having network challenge here. Let's see open position. Sometimes it occurs like that, so you must know how to go about that. You go to report, you check open positions. If network allows you to open it, then you can redeem something from there. You see, I'm trying to open the position, but network is giving me some challenge. it ends against us. Unfortunately, network didn't allow us to, so we are moving to fourth position again. We are moving to fourth stage. That's one challenge we have here in this part of the world that I'm trading from. The network used to challenge our trade. Let's see. We are now back to the fourth stage, the first recovery stage. If we are able to get it right there, then we are moving to the third stage. Then if we get the third stage right, that means we are fully recovered. It's obvious it's going to our favor. Oh, I've seen $3.86 indicative price, so I close it there. So I move up to the third stage. I've recovered the fourth stage, so I move to the third stage. If I'm able to get it here, that means we have recovered fully. That's the beauty of martingale strategy. Gives you so much opportunity to beat the market, but you need to exercise patience. So we have recovered the fourth stage. We are now at the third stage. We are back to the third stage. If we get the third stage right, that means we've recovered fully our previous trades. But if you trade and reach the fifth stage without getting it correct, then you have reached your overall stop loss for that trading session. If you trade the fifth stage and you see end at a loss, it has gone far. Okay, let's see this one. You have to be careful the kind of signal we pick at this point, because you want to really recover this our account, the previous trade. We have been oscillating between the third and the fourth position. We have total of 5 stages. If we get the third stage correct now, that means our recovery is complete. Okay, there's a resistance point here influencing the trade from going further here. And those candles, the wicks are too long, so I have to change the market. Oh, that's gone too far. We can't follow it again because of the supports here. It might likely reverse the trend. So I leave it. I want to pick the signal on time early enough so that I can close my trade early, because we now have trades now, the signals are shortly, because it seems we are trading on favorable market session, but I need to close this trade. So I need to be careful the kind of signal I pick. You need a confirmation candle before I can follow this trend. Okay, if it goes above that one, okay, now follow with hope that I have a greater probability of success. Let's see how it goes. You have to exercise self-control. You don't throw in the towel until it reaches your stop loss. It's a really oscillating market. We just hope it ends to our favor, or else we are returning to stage 4. We are going down to stage 4 again. From the Bollinger Band, the moving average inside the Bollinger Band seems to act as a support. But where to enter is a concern. Regarding that, we are trading short time frame market. So I check another market. Don't forget we are on stage 4, recovery stage. We need to trade stage 4. We still have stage 5, and then if you don't get it right at stage 5, that means you've reached your stop loss. Let me see if it passes the resistance level, I can follow, but if not, I will not follow. I need another candle. Okay, we need a recovery. We have a retracement here, but we need a confirmation. We are moving to third stage now. We are at the third stage. We have recovered at the fourth stage. I wish that this uptrend will continue. All right. All right. We have recovered fully. So we return to 0.35. We are trying to see the situation of the market. Okay. And we are following this trading. Network refuses us to sell. We succeeded in selling it. You see standard, that's 0.35. All right, we go on a break now. We've met like close to $2.50 on top of the $12.60 that we started with from here. And this trading session seems to be very turbulent because of the unfavorable market session. But thank God we ended in a good way. So we